Morning settles through the garden, light arrives across the ground. Hands once buried deep in planting feel the living turning now. Every root that searched through darkness finds the warmth of open air. What was carried through the seasons stands in quiet color here. Bloom in the wide open daylight, yet the hidden colors rise. All the patience of the seasons now is breathing into life. Seeds once resting deep in silence lift their voices through the spring. Every flower holds the memory of the love that planted it. Bees are moving through the meadow, carrying the golden thread, joining blossom after blossom, building futures still ahead. Nothing blossoms for itself here. Every petal gives away what was gathered in the growing, feeds the life of another day. Bloom in the wide open daylight, let the hidden colors rise. All the patience of the seasons now is breathing into life. Seeds once resting deep in silence lift their voices through the spring. Every flower holds a memory of the love that planted it. Those who planted long before us still are walking through the field. Every harvest tells their story, every root remembers still. Hands that once were filled with questions rest within the living ground. Life returns through countless gardens, turning quietly around. Bloom in the wide open daylight, let the living colors show. The care once sown in darkness now becomes the world we know. Seeds are forming and flowering, ready for another spring. Life continues through the garden, turning time to living rings. Hands release what seasons grew, seeds fall forward, taking root. What we cross the rivers for blooms again through